If you are selective based on color, you can easily change your Samsung phone screen mode from natural to vivid or from vivid to natural. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Samsung phone screen mode on your Samsung phone. Now to change the screen mode on your Samsung phone, you need to go to your Samsung phone settings. While on the settings, scroll down and click on display. Now scroll down a bit and tap screen mode. Under screen mode, there are two options available here, vivid and natural. Then if you swipe this, you should see the vivid screen mode on your Samsung phone. So this is how your Samsung phone screen mode is going to look under vivid. And if you select natural, then you should see a bit of change between these two images. So this is vivid and this is natural. And also try to confirm this. Now, if you choose natural, you'll not be able to customize the white balance because this is going to give you a natural look on your Samsung phone screen mode. To choose vivid, you have option to choose the cool or warm white balance on your Samsung phone. So, you see that? However, you also have access to advanced settings. With advanced settings, you can customize the white balance using the RGB code. Yes. So, while you stick to the natural, you'll not be able to use the advanced feature to customize the Samsung phone screen mode. So this is how you can easily change your Samsung phone screen mode from vivid to natural or from natural to vivid. So found this really insightful and helpful. If you want to hit the like button, do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.